In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam Deck desktop keys. If you've heard the phrase Steam desktop keys, it can actually refer to two slightly different things. It might mean using the Steam Deck's built-in controls while you're in desktop mode, or it could mean using a regular keyboard for Steam shortcuts while gaming. In this walkthrough, I'll cover both, so you can navigate more comfortably and access useful features a lot faster. Let's start with using the Steam Deck's physical controls in desktop mode. When your Steam Deck is in desktop mode, the right trackpad works as your mouse. You can slide your finger across it to move the cursor around the screen. This is your main navigation tool, and it tends to work best with slow, controlled movements, especially when you're clicking smaller icons or menus. For a left click, press the R2 trigger. You'll use this for things like opening apps, selecting files, and confirming actions. For a right click, press the L2 trigger. That's helpful anytime you need to open a context menu or reveal extra options on the desktop. If you need to type, you can bring up the on-screen keyboard by holding the Steam button and pressing X at the same time. This is especially useful when you don't have a physical keyboard connected and need to enter text, search for something, or type into a field. Now let's move over to Steam keyboard shortcuts. If you're using a standard keyboard, whether on a PC or with a Steam Deck setup, you can customize game shortcuts by opening Steam, going into Settings, and selecting In-Game. This section lets you review the current shortcuts and change them if needed. By default, Shift and Tab opens the Steam overlay while you're in a game, unless you've changed it. F12 takes a screenshot, which is great for saving gameplay moments. And on Steam Deck, pressing Control, Shift, and Tab opens the quick access menu. Once you get familiar with these controls and shortcuts, using